Welcome to the realm where performance meets physiology, a world where your body's limits are challenged and redefined. Have you ever wondered about that elusive threshold that separates good athletes from great ones? What if there were a way to push your limits, enhance endurance, and elevate your fitness game? Enter the realm of the anaerobic threshold, a physiological tipping point where your body switches gears, unleashing hidden potential. In this article, we'll delve into the secrets of this threshold, unveiling its significance in unlocking peak performance. What if you could push past fatigue and extend your limits? Join us as we explore how to not just reach but surpass this boundary, transforming your fitness and athletic capabilities in remarkable ways. Make sure to stay until the end to find out the true verdict, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional instructionals for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Here's an easy way to understanding anaerobic threshold. The anaerobic threshold, is more than a physiological concept. It's your body's secret weapon for peak performance. Imagine it as the tipping point where your exertion level shifts gears, transitioning from sustainable endurance to a challenging sprint. It's that magical boundary where fatigue begins to knock but doesn't quite break down the door. It signifies the intensity at which your body switches from primarily aerobic metabolism, using oxygen, to anaerobic metabolism, without oxygen, due to increased demand for energy. This threshold isn't fixed, it's trainable, and its elevation holds the key to enhanced endurance and performance. When you understand your AT, you gain insight into pacing, pushing boundaries, and optimizing training. It's the difference between tiring out quickly and maintaining a steady, powerful stride. Picture it this way. AT is your body's turbo boost, a catalyst for going the extra mile, sprinting that extra lap, or lifting that heavier weight. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets behind this physiological phenomenon and explore strategies to elevate and leverage your anaerobic threshold, unlocking newfound performance levels in your fitness journey. Here are some factors influencing anaerobic threshold. Your body's response at the anaerobic threshold isn't solely a matter of sheer willpower. It's influenced by a symphony of physiological factors. Heart rate plays a pivotal role, the point where your heart beats at its fastest sustainable pace before fatigue sets in. Another key player is lactate accumulation. As intensity increases, your muscles produce lactate, and at the there's a tipping point where lactate accumulates faster than it's cleared, signaling fatigue. Oxygen utilization also factors in. As demand surpasses supply, your body switches to anaerobic pathways, triggering the AT. Training intensity and duration affect your AT. Consistent high-intensity workouts train your body to become more efficient, elevating the threshold. Additionally, endurance training enhances your body's ability to clear lactate efficiently, delaying the onset of fatigue. Understanding these contributors allows for strategic training adjustments. Imagine harnessing these factors to push your body's limits further, extending the point of fatigue, and maximizing endurance. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into these influences, unraveling strategies to optimize your training and elevate your anaerobic threshold for superior performance gains. Here are some strategies for improving anaerobic threshold. Boosting your anaerobic threshold isn't just about pushing harder. It's about strategic training methodologies that push your limits while respecting your body's capabilities. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, stands tall as an AT booster. Alternating between intense bursts of effort and short recovery periods not only challenges your threshold but also amplifies cardiovascular endurance. HIIT workouts are dynamic, adaptable, and efficient, making them a potent tool for AT enhancement. Tempo and threshold runs are tailored workouts focusing on sustaining a pace close to your AT. By training just below this threshold for extended periods, you condition your body to tolerate and clear lactate more effectively, gradually nudging the AT upwards. Strength and power training also play a significant role. Building muscle strength and efficiency aids in better movement economy, delaying the onset of fatigue and optimizing your body's utilization of energy sources. Progressive overload, gradually increasing the intensity or duration of workouts, stimulates physiological adaptations, pushing your AT higher. Balancing high-intensity workouts with adequate rest and recovery periods ensures your body adapts without succumbing to overtraining. Imagine combining these strategies like puzzle pieces, crafting a tailored training regimen that not only challenges but also respects your body's limits. These methods aren't just about enduring. They're about enhancing your body's efficiency and resilience. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into these strategies, uncovering the precise methods to elevate your anaerobic threshold, propelling your fitness and performance to new heights. Here is the ultimate nutrition and recovery for AT improvement. Fueling your body with the right nutrients and aiding recovery play pivotal roles in boosting your anaerobic threshold, AT. Optimal nutrition supports your body's ability to perform at higher intensities. Carbohydrates are your primary energy source during high-intensity workouts, supplying fuel for your muscles. Consuming complex carbs provides sustained energy, enhancing endurance and delaying fatigue. Adequate protein intake aids muscle repair and growth, optimizing your body's response to training stress. Hydration is equally vital. Dehydration can hamper performance and impact lactate clearance, potentially hindering at improvements. Ensure consistent hydration to support optimal physiological function during workouts. Post-exercise recovery is where gains are realized. Rest and proper sleep are crucial. They're when your body repairs and adapts to training stress, essential for elevating your AT. Incorporating active recovery strategies, like stretching, foam rolling, or light activity, helps in lactate clearance and minimizes muscle stiffness or soreness, contributing to improved AT over time. Supplements can complement your nutrition but should be approached cautiously. Creatine, beta-alanine, or sodium bicarbonate are commonly used to enhance performance, but their effects vary among individuals. Consulting a nutritionist or sports specialist can guide you in supplement use tailored to your goals and physiology. Imagine your body as a high-performance machine. The right nutrition and recovery protocols oil the gears, ensuring it operates at peak efficiency. Stay tuned as we explore these crucial elements in depth, uncovering how nutrition and recovery strategies contribute significantly to enhancing your anaerobic threshold and overall fitness performance. Here's a strategy for monitoring and testing AT. Tracking your progress is key to gauging the effectiveness of your efforts in improving anaerobic threshold, AT. Several methods can assess your AT, providing valuable insights into your fitness progress. Heart rate monitoring during exercise offers a practical way to estimate your AT. Observing when your heart rate reaches a sustained high point, correlating with increased effort and the onset of fatigue, can hint at your threshold. Lactate threshold tests involve blood sampling to measure lactate levels during incremental exercise. This precise method directly pinpoints the intensity where lactate accumulation surges, indicating AT. Utilizing these tests helps tailor your training zones, ensuring workouts align with your current fitness level and goals. It's like a GPS guiding you through optimal training zones to enhance your AT effectively. Stay tuned as we delve into these monitoring methods, unraveling the tools to fine-tune your training and elevate your anaerobic threshold for peak performance. Here are some great tips for safely improving AT. Elevating your anaerobic threshold, AT, is a thrilling journey, but safety is paramount. Overzealous training can lead to burnout or injury, derailing your progress. Here are some essential tips. 1. Gradual progression. Patience is your ally. Gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts to allow your body to adapt. 2. Listen to your body. Pay attention to signs of fatigue, excessive soreness, or persistent pain. Adjust your training accordingly and prioritize recovery. 3. Rest and recovery. Your body evolves during rest. Ensure you incorporate adequate recovery time, including sleep, to optimize adaptations and reduce the risk of overtraining. 4. Cross-train. Mix up your workouts to reduce monotony and prevent overuse injuries. Incorporate activities that complement your primary training focus. 5. Professional guidance. Consult with fitness professionals, coaches, or healthcare providers. Their expertise ensures a tailored approach, minimizing risks and maximizing gains. Embark on this AT enhancement journey with wisdom and balance. These tips act as your compass, guiding you toward sustainable progress and minimizing potential roadblocks. Stay tuned as we explore the importance of safety in your fitness odyssey, ensuring you reach new heights without compromising your well-being. Now for some real-life applications and case studies. Exploring real-life applications and case studies sheds light on how athletes and fitness enthusiasts leverage improvements in anaerobic threshold, AT, to achieve remarkable feats. Elite athletes exemplify at mastery. They fine-tune their training to elevate this threshold, enabling them to sustain intense efforts for longer durations. Track athletes, cyclists, and swimmers are among those who benefit greatly from enhanced AT, allowing them to push their limits and excel in their respective sports. Consider the transformation in recreational runners. Those who strategically train to improve their AT notice significant changes in their performance. They can maintain faster paces for longer durations, conquering longer distances without hitting a wall. Case studies unveil the impact of AT enhancement on everyday fitness enthusiasts. Individuals aiming for personal bests or seeking improved fitness levels witness substantial progress. They experience reduced fatigue during workouts, heightened endurance during high-intensity exercises, and improved recovery times between sets, all attributed to an elevated AT. These real-life scenarios highlight the tangible and impactful results of enhancing the anaerobic threshold. They showcase the transformative power of structured training and its direct correlation to improved performance and endurance across various fitness levels and activities. Lastly, enhancing your anaerobic threshold isn't reserved for elite athletes. It's a gateway to unlocking your untapped potential. Understanding the nuances of AT and implementing targeted strategies can propel your fitness journey to new heights. Now armed with knowledge, it's time to take action. Evaluate your training regimen, tweak your workouts, and fine-tune your nutrition and recovery strategies to optimize AT improvements. Start small, progress gradually, and stay consistent. Embark on this journey with determination and patience. Elevating your anaerobic threshold isn't just about surpassing physical barriers. It's about discovering your resilience and pushing boundaries. Are you ready to elevate your fitness game? Embrace these strategies, push your limits, and witness the incredible transformation in your endurance and performance. The journey to a fitter, stronger, and more resilient you starts now. Take that first step.